Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful low-carb mascarpone panna cotta. It is such a rich and delicious dessert to enjoy through summer, and as always I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to pin, bookmark and save whenever you want to make this lovely mascarpone panna cotta. And remember to leave a like, subscribe for more videos and comment to let me know if you give this recipe a try and what you think. So let's get straight into the recipe. We are going to start by dissolving our gelatin or agar in water to help it bloom. I've got 2 teaspoons of gelatin going into a bowl, and I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of water to help it dissolve. I'm using water from a kettle which I boiled yesterday, so just cool water is fine. Okay, and just mix it through to make sure it's all dissolved in. You just don't want any lumps, you want it nice and smooth. I like using a spoon, but also when it gets to this stage, switching to a little fork to just kind of whisk it vigorously. Okay, that's perfect. We'll set it aside. And now grab a saucepan and we're going to fill it with all the other ingredients. Now, because this is our mascarpone panna cotta, I'm using this whole 250 gram of mascarpone, which will pop into the saucepan. And just pop all the creamy goodness in. Oh, love it. And then we'll add some milk. You can use almond milk to be low carb, keto friendly, or really any milk that you like. I'm going to pop a 1/2 cup of milk over. And then stevia. You can use stevia, whichever sweetener you like. We're going to go for 1/4 cup. I found that perfectly sweet enough, and then just kind of gently mix everything through. Just get the mascarpone starting to mix in, and then we're going to put it over a low heat just until it's warmed up. We don't want to heat it, we just want to warm it up so that it helps absorb and dissolve all of the gelatin and just mix everything through together and get it nice and creamy. Okay, it is super bright in my kitchen. It's always either dark or super bright, and yeah, so I've got my milk, stevia and mascarpone in a saucepan, and I'm really just going to give it a good whisk through with my whisk over here. It's over low to medium heat. Just really want to get that mascarpone dissolved and a nice creamy mixture. And I totally forgot to add vanilla, so I've quickly added in a teaspoon of vanilla. It just gives lovely vanilla-y flavour, and whisking it in, and it really doesn't take long for all that mascarpone to dissolve until we have got a lovely creamy panna cotta mixture. It's getting there. There's a few lumps remaining, and I just want it to heat a little bit, and then probably in a minute or so we'll take it off the heat. Okay, this is beautiful and creamy and perfect and warmed up, just perfect for the gelatin, which has also been working its way and made it nice and thick. And so we're going to whisk the gelatin into the mascarpone mixture now. Okay, so we just get started whisking and then slowly pour the gelatin in, whisk it through a little more at a time. And we'll just whisk all the gelatin in until you're happy that it's smooth and creamy and all dissolved in. So just, I like to give it a good vigorous stir to make sure it's completely all mixed in. Now I'm going to set this aside for about 15 minutes just to let it cool down, because I don't really want to pour it warm into my glasses, and it's up to you whether you want to do it in 2 glasses like I am or do it in 4 or more. It is super rich, and what I tend to do is keep a whole glass in my fridge to slowly enjoy over the weekend. But if you're serving this for dinner guests, I would definitely go 1/3 or 1/2 cup per glass each, and just so that it's super rich and wonderful. But yeah, I'm gonna let this cool for about 15 minutes and then pour it into glasses. Okay, it's cool enough now. We'll pour it out into glasses. Okay, so I've got my 2 glasses here, and we'll just gently, carefully pour it out into the glasses. As I said, you could measure out using 1/4 or 1/2 or 1/3 cup. And just to make even amounts, I'm quite happy just sharing it between the 2 glasses. And then my husband and I have the most yum sweet treat to enjoy through the weekend. Okay, now it just needs to go into the fridge for a few hours to thicken up, and I'll show you it then. And the panna cottas have been in the fridge for a few hours and they've thickened up beautifully. You have a look. Oh yeah, that is so good. So lovely and thick, and just a perfect sweet treat that you can enjoy just like this, or top it with a couple of teaspoons of my homemade chia jam. I shared the recipe recently. Where is it? Here. My homemade chia jam that is just beautiful, full of berries. You could also just top it with some fresh raspberries or strawberries, blueberries, really anything you like, but it just makes such a beautiful dessert. And the berries and the lovely panna cotta, the lovely mascarpone, is so rich and creamy and just delicious dessert to enjoy through summer, or save it, bookmark it, pin it, so you can make it through summer or as a festive dessert. It'll make a beautiful festive dessert later on in the year too. But that is the video for today for these lovely panna cottas. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try and how you enjoy it. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have the full recipe and step-by-step instructions to make this lovely low-carb mascarpone panna cotta. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.